The Redemptor Dreadnought is a new pattern of Adeptus Astartes Dreadnought, specifically created to serve alongside the Primaris Space Marines. It, like the standard Firstborn pattern Castaferum Dreadnought, is intended to provide mortally wounded Primaris Marines with another chance to continue to serve the Emperor, though it is the largest Dreadnought pattern ever deployed by the Space Marines. Redemptor Dreadnoughts are giant war engines that crush bone and splinter skulls as they bludgeon through the enemy ranks. Taller, broader and more cunningly wrought than the Dreadnoughts of traditional design, these Goliaths of battle are powered by hyper-dense plasma reactors and sophisticated fibre bundles. They can accelerate from a thundering stomp to a thunderous, loping gait that shakes the ground, barreling through hails of fire in glorious defiance. One jointed arm of the Redemptor is given over either to a devastating heavy onslaught Gatling cannon, a rotary ballistic weapon that can chew through a band of heretic Astartes in a single pass, or a macro plasma incinerator, a weapon that harnesses the heat of captive suns to melt enemy tanks to a bloody sludge. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.